Is anyone present that is familiar to you from this life over
Yeah, one
here?
of them is my great grandmother. I can see her eyes.
All right. So I want to say welcome, welcome, welcome to your council. Thank you all for being here and for bringing her here. I want to start by asking if any of you all can step forward, or I'm not sure if all you all would like to speak on this, but if you guys could tell us whatever it is that could assist with her understanding why her family is the way that it is. What is the purpose of her having the dysfunction and experiencing the grief and the sadness, or even the anger and the control issues that her and her family experience together?
It's all a lesson for me to let go of control.
Mm-hmm.
And until I do, it'll keep coming back up.